A fairy tale setting, exploring Norway's coziest villages. Norway, a land of majestic fjords, towering mountains, and captivating history, is also home to some of the coziest villages in the world. These charming settlements, often painted in vibrant colors, transport visitors to a time gone by. Step into a world of cobblestone streets, historic wooden houses, and breathtaking natural beauty. Prepare to be enchanted by the warmth and character of these unique destinations. Bergen, where history meets charm. This picturesque city, located on the southwestern coast of Norway, is a treasure trove of historical significance and natural beauty. Bergen, nestled between 7 mountains, welcomes visitors with its colorful wooden houses lining the historic wharf, Bryggen. These houses, with their vibrant hues, stand as a testament to the city's rich maritime heritage and its importance as a trading hub in the past. A UNESCO World Heritage site, Bryggen dates back to the Hanseatic League's trading dominance. The wooden structures, meticulously preserved, offer a glimpse into the architectural styles and building techniques of the time. Walking through Bryggen is like stepping back in time, where each building tells a story of commerce, culture, and community. Stroll through the narrow alleyways, imagining the bustling activity of centuries past. The cobblestone streets, worn smooth by countless footsteps, echo with the sounds of merchants and sailors who once thronged these pathways. It's a place where history is palpable, and every corner has a tale to tell. Enjoy fresh seafood at the harborside restaurants and soak up the vibrant atmosphere of this charming city. Bergen's culinary scene is renowned for its seafood, with dishes that highlight the freshest catches from the surrounding waters. Dining by the harbor with the scent of the sea in the air is an experience that delights all the senses. Don't miss a funicular ride up Mount Fløyen for panoramic views of Bergen and the surrounding fjords. The journey up the mountain is an adventure in itself, offering breathtaking vistas at every turn. Once at the top, the view is nothing short of spectacular, with the city sprawled out below and the fjords stretching into the distance. The Fløyen funicular offers spectacular scenery and a chance to connect with nature. The lush greenery and serene landscapes provide a perfect backdrop for hiking, picnicking, or simply enjoying the tranquility. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of the city and immerse yourself in the natural beauty that surrounds Bergen. Afterward, explore the cobblestone streets of the old town, discovering hidden cafes and artisan shops. The old town is a maze of narrow streets and charming squares, each with its own unique character. Here you can find quaint cafes serving delicious pastries and coffee, as well as artisan shops offering handmade crafts and souvenirs. Bergen is a city that seamlessly blends history, culture, and natural beauty. From its well-preserved historical sites to its vibrant cultural scene and stunning natural landscapes, Bergen offers something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or a foodie, this charming city has a wealth of experiences waiting to be discovered. Ålesund, a symphony in Art Nouveau. Nestled along the Norwegian coastline, this picturesque town is a living gallery of architectural beauty. Rising from the ashes of a devastating fire in 1904, Ålesund was rebuilt in the Art Nouveau style, a movement that was sweeping across Europe at the time. The fire, though tragic, provided a unique opportunity for the town to reinvent itself. Ålesund showcases a remarkable collection of Art Nouveau architecture. The town's streets are lined with buildings that feature the signature elements of this style, from whimsical turrets to elegant facades adorned with floral motifs. This distinctive style, with its flowing lines, organic shapes, and intricate details, gives the town a fairy tale-like ambiance. Walking through Ålesund feels like stepping into a storybook where every corner reveals a new artistic wonder. Take a stroll along the waterfront, admiring the colorful facades and ornate towers. The vibrant hues of the buildings reflect in the water, creating a mesmerizing scene that changes with the light of day. Climb the 418 steps to the top of Mount Aksla for breathtaking views of the town, surrounding islands, and the Sunnmøre Alps. The panoramic vista from the summit is a reward for the climb, offering a perspective that captures the town's unique blend of natural and architectural beauty. Visit the Jugendstilsenteret, a museum dedicated to Ålesund's Art Nouveau heritage, to delve deeper into the town's architectural history. Here you can explore exhibits that detail the reconstruction efforts and the artistic influences that shaped the town's rebirth. Ålesund is a testament to resilience and creativity, a place where beauty rose from adversity. As the sun sets over the town, casting a golden glow on the vibrant streets and the majestic Alps in the background, one can't help but feel inspired by the harmony of nature and human ingenuity that defines Ålesund. Odda, embraced by majestic fjords. This picturesque town is cradled by the stunning natural beauty of Norway's rugged landscape. The fjords, with their deep blue waters and towering cliffs, create a dramatic backdrop that is both awe-inspiring and serene. Odda, nestled at the foot of towering cliffs and cascading waterfalls, is a paradise for nature lovers. The town is surrounded by lush greenery and pristine waters, making it an ideal destination for those seeking to reconnect with nature. The sound of waterfalls cascading down the cliffs adds a soothing soundtrack to the breathtaking scenery. This charming town serves as a gateway to the breathtaking Hardangerfjord, Norway's second-longest fjord. The fjord stretches for miles, offering endless opportunities for exploration and adventure. Whether you're sailing on its calm waters or hiking along its rugged shores, Hardangerfjord promises an unforgettable experience. Embark on a scenic cruise to marvel at the fjord's dramatic landscapes, towering waterfalls, and idyllic orchards. As you glide through the fjord, you'll be surrounded by the sheer cliffs and cascading waterfalls that define this region. The orchards, with their vibrant fruit trees, add a touch of color to the landscape, making the cruise a feast for the eyes. Hike to the iconic Trolltunga, a dramatic rock formation jutting out over the abyss, for an unforgettable adventure. The hike is challenging but rewarding, offering stunning views of the surrounding fjords and mountains. Standing on Trolltunga, you'll feel like you're on top of the world, with the vast landscape stretching out before you. Explore the Fjords Glacier, one of Norway's largest, and experience the raw beauty of this icy world. The glacier, with its shimmering ice and deep crevasses, is a testament to the power of nature. Guided tours allow you to safely navigate this frozen landscape, providing a unique opportunity to witness the glacier's majesty up close. Odda, with its cozy atmosphere and access to nature's wonders, offers an escape into tranquility. The town's charming streets and welcoming locals create a warm and inviting environment. Whether you're exploring the natural beauty that surrounds Odda or simply enjoying a quiet moment in the town, you'll find peace and serenity in this hidden gem of Norway. Røros, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, whispers tales of its rich copper mining history. This charming town, with its well-preserved wooden buildings dating back to the 17th century, seems frozen in time. Wander through the narrow streets, exploring the artisan workshops, galleries, and museums that bring the past to life. Visit the Røros Copper Works, a museum dedicated to the town's mining heritage, to learn about the industry that shaped Røros's identity. Experience the warmth and hospitality of the locals, known for their traditional crafts and delicious local cuisine. Røros is a captivating blend of history, culture, and cozy charm. Arendal, a southern gem by the sea. Arendal, a picturesque town on Norway's southern coast, charms visitors with its colorful wooden houses, bustling harbor, and maritime history. Stroll along Pollen, the town's harbor, and admire the historic sailing ships and charming waterfront restaurants. Explore the narrow streets of the old town, discovering hidden courtyards and quaint shops. Visit the Kuben Museum, showcasing the region's history, art, and culture to delve deeper into Arendal's heritage. Take a boat trip to the nearby islands, enjoying the scenic beauty of the archipelago. Arendal offers a relaxing coastal escape with a touch of history and charm. Tromsø Arctic beauty, cozy heart. Tromsø, the gateway to the Arctic, captivates visitors with its stunning natural beauty, vibrant culture, and cozy atmosphere. Explore the Arctic Cathedral, an architectural masterpiece resembling a giant ice floe. Discover the rich history and culture of the Sami people at the Polar Museum. Embark on a Northern Lights chase during the winter months, witnessing the magical dance of the Aurora Borealis across the night sky. In summer, experience the midnight sun, a surreal phenomenon where the sun never sets. Tromsø offers an unforgettable Arctic adventure with a surprisingly cozy heart. Lofoten Rorber fishermen's cabins turned cozy retreats. Experience the authentic charm of Lofoten's fishing heritage by staying in a traditional rorber, a fisherman's cabin. These colorful wooden cabins, perched on stilts along the water's edge, offer stunning views of the dramatic Lofoten Islands. Enjoy the peace and tranquility of this breathtaking archipelago. Embark on scenic hikes, explore charming fishing villages, and savor fresh seafood straight from the ocean. Try your hand at fishing, kayaking, or simply relax and soak up the majestic scenery. Lofoten's Røros offer a unique and unforgettable way to experience the raw beauty of Norway's coastline. Svinøya Røros, an island escape. Escape to the tranquil island of Svinøya, just a short boat ride from the town of Svolvær, and discover a hidden gem of the Lofoten Islands. Svinøya Røros offers a collection of charming, renovated fishermen's cabins, each with its own unique character and breathtaking views. Explore the island's rugged coastline, discover hidden coves, and witness the abundance of bird life. Indulge in fresh seafood at the island's restaurant, savoring the flavors of the sea. Svinøya offers a peaceful retreat, a chance to reconnect with nature. Pause 3S. As we draw our journey to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on the magic we've uncovered. From the historical charm of the southern gems to the artistic flair of Art Nouveau towns, from the majestic fjords to the Arctic beauty, each village has offered a unique embrace of coziness and wonder. Pause 2S. Whether it's the rich copper legacy or the fishermen's cabins turned cozy retreats, Norway's villages are a testament to the timeless allure of simplicity and nature. Pause 2S. As you plan your next adventure, remember the serene island of Svinøya and the countless hidden gems that await discovery. Pause 2S. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing journeys through time and places. Pause 2S. Until next time, may your travels be cozy and your heart ever curious.